When you stretch, you're essentially pushing your muscles and tendons to their fullest length. This action increases blood flow and brings more nutrients to these areas, promoting better health and muscle growth. Beyond that, stretching is a powerful tool for enhancing flexibility. By regularly stretching, you're training your muscles to be more elastic and adaptable, which in turn can improve your posture and overall physical performance. But it doesn't stop there. Stretching also plays a key role in reducing muscle soreness, especially after a vigorous workout. It helps dissipate the lactic acid buildup that causes discomfort. Moreover, stretching can alleviate stress. When we're tense, our muscles contract. Stretching helps to counteract this by promoting relaxation and reducing muscle tension. Lastly, it can minimize the risk of injury. Flexible muscles are less likely to be strained or torn. So, it's clear that stretching has numerous health benefits. But how to do it correctly? Stretching is simple, but doing it correctly is the key to reaping its benefits. Now let's break down the process of stretching into easy-to-follow steps. First things first, always warm up before you stretch. Your muscles are like rubber bands. If they're cold, they're not as flexible and could snap under pressure. A quick 5-minute jog or brisk walk should do the trick. Now let's talk posture. Good posture is vital when stretching. Stand tall with your shoulders back and down. Your spine should be neutral, not arched or rounded. This will prevent any unnecessary strains or injuries. Next, remember not to bounce while stretching. This isn't a bounce house, folks. Bouncing can lead to small tears in your muscles, which can leave scar tissue as they heal. This scar tissue tightens the muscle even further, making you less flexible, not more. There are two types of stretching: dynamic and static. Dynamic stretching means you're moving as you stretch. This is great before a workout to get your blood flowing. Static stretching, on the other hand, is when you hold a stretch for a longer period. This is perfect for cooling down after a workout or for a relaxing evening routine. Remember, the key to effective stretching is consistency. Make it a part of your daily routine. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to unlocking the full potential of stretching. Wondering how to incorporate stretching into your daily routine? Here's a simple guide. Start your day with a full body stretch. Stand up tall, reach your arms overhead, and feel the stretch from your fingertips all the way down to your toes. Hold for about 10 seconds, then release. This acts as a great wake-up call for your muscles. Next, focus on your neck and shoulders. Tilt your head from side to side, gently stretching the neck muscles. Follow this by rolling your shoulders forwards and backwards. This helps to release tension often held in these areas. Now, let's stretch the back. Stand up straight, place your hands on your lower back, and gently push your hips forward while leaning back slightly. This will stretch your lower back and hip flexors, moving onto the legs. While standing, bend forward at the waist, keeping your knees slightly bent, and try to touch your toes. This will stretch your hamstrings and calves. Lastly, don't forget about your arms. Extend one arm across your chest and use your other arm to pull it closer. This will stretch your shoulder muscles. Repeat with the other arm. Remember, the key to a successful stretching routine is consistency. Aim to do these stretches every day. They can be done in the morning to wake up your body, or at night to help relax your muscles before bed. Incorporate this routine into your daily life and feel the difference. Stretching is more than just a warm-up activity. It's a key ingredient in maintaining your health, enhancing flexibility, and reducing pain. Remember, it's not about doing it once, it's about consistency. Incorporate it into your daily routine to reap the benefits. We've discussed the science behind it, showed you how to do it correctly, and even gave you a simple routine to follow. So why wait? Start stretching your way to perfect health today.